Welcome to everyone. This is Proxima, the creative learning channel. Support me by subscribing, guys. Myself, Karthik Arya. So, today we are going to discuss such a topic that is not actually complicated, but remembering the equations is quite confusing. So, let's start. That is gas law equations. Gas law equations are derived from the ideal gas equation. The ideal gas is such a gas which obey all these four gas law equations, but such a gas in nature doesn't exist क्योंकि सभी गैस लॉस को एक ही टाइम में ओबे करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. Avogadro's law, Boyle's law, Charles' law, and Gay-Lussac's law are four gas laws. In some books in NCERT or CBSE, it might be given Charles' law first, second Boyle's law, third Gay-Lussac's law, finally Avogadro's law. But to remember these gas law equations easily, I had made it easy. So this trick deals with alphabetical trick, that is A for Avogadro's law, Boyle's law, Charles' law, Gay-Lussac's law. Ideal gas equation, these physical quantities, every physical quantity represent P pressure, V volume, N number of molecules, R is gas constant, T is temperature. So move on to the next slide. You must have to remember all the definitions of these gas law equations, but to make the video short, I am not going to explain the definitions. I am just explaining the equations. uh, so we will have the trick at the end of finishing all the four definitions. So let's start. Avogadro's law: volume is directly proportional to number of molecules. When two physical quantities is taken, the remaining physical quantities become constant. You can see here. Volume is directly proportional to number of molecules, Avogadro's law. Moving to the next equation, that is Boyle's law equation. Here we have pressure is inversely proportional to the volume. So guys, you please read the definitions before coming to this equation directly. You pause the video and just read the definition and move on. So that is, pressure is inversely proportional to the volume at constant temperature. Moving to the next one, we have Charles' law. Charles' law is volume is directly proportional to temperature at constant pressure, and Gay-Lussac's law have pressure is directly proportional to temperature at constant volume. So all these are the equations which you have to remember. So coming to our trick begins here. This ideal gas equation which is given here, there is R, that is gas constant, which is not necessary for our uh, equation trick. So I am removing it and making only the proportionality symbol. Take a book and pen and start writing like this, how I am writing. First you have to write the equation. PV is directly proportional to N and T. On the upper left side you have to write A and B, like this, how I write. And at the lower right side you have to write C and G as same as I wrote. And we have, by looking at the equation, we get Avogadro's law: volume is directly proportional to number of molecules. And we also have Boyle's law, that is volume is inversely proportional to pressure. And for C and G, volume is directly proportional to temperature, that is Charles' law. And pressure is directly proportional to temperature, that is गैलो-सैक्स लॉ। एक बार फिर से एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ, ध्यान से देखो। फॉर A and B on the upper left side and on the lower right side C and G. C for Charles law, G for Gay-Lussac law. Or by seeing at the equation we get Avogadro's law. Volume is directly proportional to n. Boyle's law, volume is inversely proportional to pressure. Charles law, as it is first, Charles law, volume is directly proportional to temperature, we have to write first, and Gay-Lussac's at last. Last means pressure and temperature. Pressure is directly proportional to temperature. And how to remember this as inversely proportional, because all three are directly proportional and Boyle's law only inversely proportional. For that also arrow trick is there, because all of them are on the right side of the proportionality symbol. Avogadro's law also going on the right side, Charles law also going on the right side, Gay-Lussac's law also on the right side, but the only equation that is going on the left side is Boyle's law, so that is considered to be inversely proportional. Which are going on the right side, most of them are going on the right side, so they are directly proportional. Only one going on the left side, that is Boyle's law, that is inversely proportional. So by just this equation you are going to remember all the gas law equations. This is how you can remember, this is the trick how you can remember all the gas law equations easily. If you like the video, please subscribe and share to your friends, because they can also easily understand the concept, because everyone need to understand the concept easily. प्लीज़ सपोर्ट एंड सब्सक्राइब मी। आने वाले दिनों में और भी ज़्यादा वीडियो करने का कोशिश करता हूँ, ईज़िली एक्सप्लेन करूँगा, तो इसीलिए आपका सपोर्ट मुझे चाहिए। थैंक यू वन एंड ऑल।